Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we dive into the story of two men who share more than just a last name, Blake Butera and Drew Butera. Both have made their mark in professional baseball. But are they related? Let's find out. The Butera family's baseball legacy begins with Sal Butera, a former Major League Baseball catcher who played from 1980 to 1988. He spent time with teams like the Montreal Expos, Minnesota Twins, and Toronto Blue Jays. Sal's passion for the game would later inspire the next generation of Buteras to follow in his footsteps. Sal's son, Drew Butera, carried on the family name as a professional catcher from 2010 to 2021. Known for his defensive skill and steady presence, Drew became a World Series champion with the Kansas City Royals in 2015. Meanwhile, Blake Butera, the son of Sal's brother Barry Butera, pursued his own baseball path. After playing in the Tampa Bay Rays minor league system, Blake transitioned into coaching and quickly rose through the ranks. His leadership and understanding of the game earned him recognition as one of the youngest and most promising managers in baseball. Is Blake Butera related to Drew Butera? So yes, Blake and Drew Butera are first cousins. Their fathers, Barry and Sal, are brothers, making the Buteras one of baseball's multi-generational families. Both Drew and Blake have continued the family's love for the sport in their own unique ways, one behind the plate, the other from the dugout. As of now, Blake Butera serves as the manager of the Washington Nationals, making headlines as a young leader with a bright future. Drew Butera, now retired as a player, continues to stay connected to the sport through mentoring and coaching. From the diamond to the dugout, the Butera name has become a symbol of dedication, family, and baseball tradition. Their shared story reminds us how passion can run deep, generation after generation.